In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a members area on Wix Studio. This tutorial will walk you through the steps to enhance your site by creating a dedicated space for your community, a fantastic feature for increasing user engagement. So let's begin. First, you'll need to head over to Wix Studio, which is a powerful web platform designed for agencies and enterprises. The platform offers a range of advanced tools that streamline website management and help you cater to your community effectively. Once you're on the Wix Studio landing page, your next step is to log into your account. Look for the login button, typically situated at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it and you'll be directed to the login page. Here you have different login options, but for simplicity, choose Continue with Google. This option is straightforward and swift, allowing you to use your Google credentials. After successfully logging in, you will find yourself in the Wix Studio dashboard. This is the control center for your website. Now look for the plus icon, usually located on the left side of the screen. Clicking on the plus icon will reveal various elements that you can add to your website. Since we're focusing on building a members area, scroll down until you find the community section. In the community section, you'll want to look for the members list option. Selecting this will give you additional options related to membership features. The members list is essential as it provides you with the tools to manage and interact with your site's users efficiently. Now click on Add to Site. This action will initiate the integration of a members area into your website. The system will begin processing this addition, which might take a few moments. During this time, you can take a moment to plan how you'll use this new feature to engage with your community better, perhaps by offering exclusive content or fostering discussions among your members. Once the process is complete, your website will have a members area where users can log in, access exclusive content, and interact with one another. Remember that while the setup is simple, the real value comes from how you engage your members with dynamic content and responsive community management. This feature not only keeps visitors active on your site, but also builds a sense of belonging among them, crucial for nurturing a loyal audience. And there you have it, you've successfully added a members area to your website on Wix Studio. I hope this walkthrough has been helpful and you're now ready to provide a fantastic space for your community to thrive. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video useful, consider subscribing for more tutorials. See you next time.